the question is how the God has revealed himself through the nature. To answer this question, first I will speak a little bit, then I will demonstrate you a practical proof. You know that the nature, the system of nature, the universe that you see in this 21st century, and the nature is created by someone, right? And there are billions of people who believe in existence of God, and there is a conflict between them regarding how many gods are there. Are they one or many, or who is the real God? What is the name of the real God? So how the God has revealed himself through nature in the 21st century, there are some practical proofs regarding the name of God through nature. This is how the God himself demonstrated as a honor of the universe by writing his name through the nature, to give an indication to the human beings, the mankind, to recognize his name through nature and worship him and enter in his religion and accept him the only God. You know what is the name of that God, the real God of universe, the God of nature? The name of the God of nature is written right in front of your eyes, which you can see here. That is right, yes, in front of me. It is the name of, whose name is it? It is not Ram, not Jesus, not Vishnu, not Krishna, not Yahweh, not Moses, not Thor, not Zeus. No one else except the one and only, whose name is written through nature, and he has done it practically in real world. In front of me you can see this. Let me zoom it. It is written in Arabic, Allah. This is the name of Allah, the God name through nature. You can verify it through an expert of Arabic, and he will confirm you that this is the name of Allah. You see this? This is the name of Allah. You can Google it. You can check it through the Quran. You can ask Muslims. You can use this video and show it to them. So this is the name of Allah which is written through nature, and this is a practical proof right in front of you through the nature. So I have given you a practical evidence, practical sign, practical proof of the name of God through nature, and you will not find the name of any God except Allah through the nature, written naturally, practically, by the command of God, because the God name is Allah. So therefore Allah writes his name through nature, and this is just a practical real demonstration in front of you which I have which I showed you. If you want to see more, you can go to rightfulreligion.com, you can go to godofnature.org, you can go to prophetofnature.com, and you will see how the God, whose name is Allah, how the God has practically written his name through clouds, through trees, through plants, through vegetables, through animals, through birds, and through various creatures of nature, and how Allah has practically controlled the creatures of nature and allowed them to recite and speak the name of Allah. Is through their mouth, from their mouth, they speak and recite the name of Allah. Even there are 3 puppies who recited the name of Allah for more than 1 minute by the command of Allah. So this is how the God has revealed himself through the nature to help the human beings of this world of 21st century, so that they can recognize their true creator, true God of nature, and enter in Islam. So I invite you to accept Islam, enter in Islam after seeing this practical evidence, practical proof on existence of Allah, because it is the name of Allah, and you will not find the name of any other claimed name who had been claimed as God beside Allah. You will not find their names written naturally through nature by their power and command. It is only done by Allah, and only Allah is capable to do it. So thank you for watching, and I hope you will think about it and embrace the Islam after seeing this practical sign. Take care.